Hi folks, Luca at Sharper Trades. Quick video to check on the crypto markets. Crypto markets, as we all know, has been, together with the stock market, down heavily in 2022. The crypto market, especially Bitcoin, reaching 69,000 last year in November, then dropping all the way down to 17,000 in June, July. Now seems to have stabilized, and we are seeing so the most recent low was the one we saw a few days ago at 18,550, and then prior to that it was 17,567. So those are the level to watch, which at the moment they're holding. And if we step back in the chart, we can see those levels are near the October 2020 highs. So that was again around 18,000. Prior to that, there's another support down around 13,000, 13,800. At the moment, I like the base that is forming. However, we are still in this falling channel. So as long as price remains inside this falling channel, which we could expect the trend to continue in this direction. So I do like the base. What I want to see next. So first of all, there was a nice pop these past 2-3 days. Yesterday, today stabilizing. It's still below the 50 SMA. So we need to see price move back above the 50, eventually take out the 25,000, which was a big resistance. As you can see here, the low, that was on May 12, 2022, and the low was 25,338. So that's the level to watch if this thing makes a move to the upside. At the moment, as I said, I like the base. I want to see better technicals. In the all stepping back, the overall looking at the chart, we are still in this rising channel long term, and but the channel bottom, if this angle is intact, it's all the way down to around 15,000, 16,000, 14,000, somewhere in that level, depending if this thing rolls over and when it does that. I don't think that's going to happen. I think this is a good base for now, but you know, with the crypto market and the volatility associated with it, everything is possible. There was a positive piece of news on Thursday when the SEC chairman supports the CFTC. This is the Commodity Feature Trading Commission, supporting oversight of Bitcoin. So this is a good news. You want government to work together so they can keep an eye on, regulations is always good. Wild West, it's where volatility, fear, and craziness can happen. When there is regulations, there's a system in place, there is trust, investors, corporations, institutions that they put and invest in it. That's what makes the price go up. So this is all in favor of the crypto markets. The concern of this guy, this Gary Gensler, the CEC, the SEC chairman, says that as long as the Safety Exchange Commission, the SEC, keeps control, right, doesn't take away power from the SEC. That's what the guy says. So they're gonna, these are two government agencies. They're working together to ensure the safety of us, investors, regular traders, that there are monkey businesses going on. So this is all positive. I see it, and I see it as a positive aspect. So that's what we're looking for the Bitcoin, and you know, Bitcoin is the largest cryptocurrency market. The second largest is the Ethereum. So they're both in this mix. Other commodities, I mean, other coins, you know, they're good for trading, holding overnight. I mean, holding for extended periods. I don't know. I do like Bitcoin and I do like Ethereum. Those are the two that I mainly follow. So if it breaks above the 25,000, the next target is 30,000 and then 35. So as we all know, in between there's a resistance of 27,500 and then 32,500. Right? So those are the next resistance level is if price breaks the 50 and goes up. The current support here is the ATMA, the orange line, and then 18,400, which is this recent low. With regards to the Ethereum, Ethereum 2 is underway, is now being rolled out. So far, so good. There hasn't been major problems, and in the long run, this would be a good thing. It will cost less. It will use less energy, so it's perceived as a positive move. And so far, seems to be safe, just like the Ethereum one. And so those that are concerned with regard to this transition, those concerns have been put aside. Now, the Ethereum is back above the 50 simple, the moving average, and but it's still below these recent highs at 2000. So this one we want to see back above 2000 with the next target 22,500, and then 2730, and then 3300. Those are the levels to watch moving forward. This is also, again, Ethereum is in this falling channel type of pattern, and looks a little bit better than Bitcoin, a bit stronger. And let's see, these two are solid markets, crypto markets. I can see it. Support with regards to the Ethereum is 1570. Basically, this low here, we're looking at August 2nd, and then below 900 is extends. One last look at Solana, which is the main competitor of Ethereum, and Solana is down. Solana was moving up significantly when Ethereum was criticized for the high cost of gas fees and everything else, and so Solana ran. And the fact that Solana is not moving much now, where Ethereum is above the 50 SMA, these points into a good direction for Ethereum, less for Solana. Solana is still going to be a valid one, but as the alternative to the cheaper version, I don't think that no longer applies. That's my take on it. Anyway, so those are a little bit of a look on the Bitcoin, Ethereum, and just briefly Solana. And let's catch up in the future video. All right, folks, thanks for watching. Good trading. Click on any of the links you see around here if you want to learn more about cryptocurrencies, if you want to read the book I'm giving out for free, the link. And yeah, just stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next video.